us get you these details coming in from Chamarajanagar in Karnataka, where unfortunately 24 people lost their lives due to oxygen shortage. Healthline workers and doctors who have been struggling day and night to keep patients alive, and they have been fighting in such difficult situations, and of course the families of the patients who are suffering in the health infrastructure that the country is having to face at this point. Those pictures on your screens from Chamarajanagar in Karnataka. 24 people have died after oxygen shortage in a hospital. Videos accessed by Republic showing you the family of the patients and healthcare workers who've struggled to save the lives of the COVID patients. And remember, it is not just Karnataka but several states that have been reporting similar scenes. In Delhi, we saw the incident in Patra Hospital that had claimed the lives of 8 people. And oxygen shortage that continues to be a problem in these tough times, as much as the centre has stepped up measures, including the states, and the centre is also trying to fulfill all those shortages that have come to light. This is another incident that has been reported from Chamarajanagar in Karnataka, where unfortunately 24 people lost their lives due to the shortage of oxygen. My colleague will be joining us very shortly to give us more details of this hospital. I believe Sagairaj is already connected with us. Sagairaj, what is the situation like? What are the family members saying? And even this hospital, is it still facing a shortage of oxygen? Have they raised this with the state government? How is this gap being now covered?
If you notice, the Health Minister has already visited the place along with the District in Charge Minister Suresh Kumar. They said that as of now they had made enough arrangements of oxygen which will be supplied to the hospital. And even yesterday the officials are claiming that there was shortage of 2 hours. Between those 2 hours, so many people have succumbed last night. 23 people who had COVID symptoms, who had breathing problem, had died because of lack of oxygen, and 1 patient who was non-COVID also died inside the hospital. Karnataka government have ordered for an investigation in this, where they have to submit a report within 3 days what really went wrong. Meanwhile, what we also get to learn through our sources is that they already got a few cylinders last night, but it was not enough, which was supplied from Mysuru district. There was a liquid oxygen which was on its way from Ballari district to Chamarajanagar. Because of the supply of delay to the hospital has caused this unfortunate incident.
Like you rightly said, Sagairaj, very, very unfortunate that this has happened, and we are still trying to get more details of what exactly the hospital is saying. Of course, you're bringing us up to speed with it, but the family members of the deceased, we hear, have also staged a protest in front of the hospital demanding action against the officials. Let's also understand, Sagairaj, that this is a very tough situation because even hospitals are not being able to cope up with the actual oxygen that is needed in hospitals, and these are scenes that we are seeing across the country. But what are the family members of the deceased saying, Sagairaj?
The family members are completely shattered. They are demanding that they should get justice from the government and from the officials. Why they were keeping quiet when they know that there might be some kind of shortage which might occur in 1 or 2 hours. Why they haven't taken any kind of precautionary measures. Why they had to wait till the end moment when the oxygen got over to rush and try to help them. So these are the questions which has been raised by the people. People are completely shattered, emotional, and emotions are running very high, and definitely you can understand how it is, how the family members are feeling right now. And definitely the government is also trying to console them, saying that the investigation is on, and the people whoever were in charge for this will be punished.
And I believe an emergency cabinet meet was also called, and Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa spoke to the district collector on this matter. Sagairaj, we've managed to pick up some reactions on the same. Let's listen in to what is coming in.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದು ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ 75% ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಬದಿಗೆ ಬಿಡೋದು ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬದಿಗೆ ಬಿಡೋದು ಸರ್.
ಡಿ ಸಿ ಅವ್ರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರಿ?
4 ದಿನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ ಊರು?
ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ಸರ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ಸರ್, ಅವನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಬಂದ್ವಿ ಸರ್. ಅವನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ 2 ಸರಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಬಂದು 2 ಸರಿನೂ ಹೋಮ್ ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಬಂದ್ವಿ.
ನನಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನಮಗೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು, ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಮೆಸೇಜು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಣ ಅಂತ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗನ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗ. ಮದುವೆಗೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಭಾಳ ದೂರ ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಲಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Sakairaj, such cries that we still hear in the country, and it is very distressing. But what is the Karnataka government now doing about it? And an emergency meeting, like we were talking, was also called. An investigation is underway in this matter. Please throw more light on the same.
District in charge Minister Suresh Kumar and Health Minister Sudhakar had reached the hospital. They refused to comment anything near the hospital. They said that they will talk to media in district collector's office because the family members were protesting. They were furious. They were unhappy with the government with all these things which has happened last night. So they had avoided the media, and later on they went on to say that enough oxygen supply will be done, whatever is required for the hospital here on. And they have also ordered for an investigation, where the thorough investigation will happen in this entire incident. As we speak, the funeral of all these 24 patients is happening in Chamarajanagar district. It is quite family members are quite shattered. They are speechless. They are blaming the government for this entire lethargic behavior of the doctors in the government hospital in Chamarajanagar.
Right, Sakairaj, many thanks for those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.